put the machine in a manual mode and select the tool setting button. Then, extend the unit using the HPMA Extend button in the bottom of the operator control panel. Once the arm is extended, the screen will automatically change to the offset page, and offset will flash at the bottom right of the screen. Selecting the MPG mode, handle the tooltip near the stylus face. When you have handled the tooltip near the stylus, you will switch to jog mode and, using the joystick, jog into the stylus. When the tooltip touches the stylus face, the machine will stop and the offset will automatically update. Repeat this for additional access as required. Once complete, hand wheel the tool away from the HPMA unit and stow the unit by pressing the HPMA retract button. Once the unit has retracted, turn off the tool setting mode